Welcome everyone, Ed here with Michelle and the Great Indoors, and today we are in Broadview Heights at the Wild Eagle Saloon, and we've never been here before, but we've made reservations for 3 p.m. So hopefully we'll have a good view of the Browns game because today is
Football Sunday! Woo!
Browns versus the Chiefs. So we got our game face on. The question is, do you guys? We're gonna celebrate hopefully a Browns victory here at the Wild Eagle Saloon, get something to eat, and bring you guys along with us. So let's go check it out.
Go Browns! Woo!
If you're feeling generous, please hit that like button and the subscribe button, and while you're at it, hit the notification bell so you can be kept in the loop. Okay, we just got seated, and yes, we do have awesome seats right over there by the game. So let's take a little quick tour of what we got here at Wild Eagle Saloon. Here is the game room. We got the billiards over here, the skee ball over there, and no place will be complete without not having a cornhole. And here is the bowling alley. 4 lanes of fun waiting to happen. How cool is this? And of course, oh my gosh, they even have, what is this? Touch card here. You can get your own beer here. So I gotta figure that one out, because I think you maybe get a card, like a player's card, where you put money on it, and you could get your own drink here. Holy cow. That's pretty cool. And they even have a KISS pinball machine. Oh yeah. I'm all over that. Okay, Big Bucks Online. What do we got here? Oh. Little slide, I don't know what they call that. Shuffleboard. Shuffleboard. Sweet! And plenty of hand sanitizing stations. Yep. Very cool. We are going to the back end of the facility, and this place is massive. Got patio. Holy cow. So I would imagine they open up these garage doors so you can allow the cigarettes smoking. Very cool. Oh. You can easily see that large party here. I could see a bowling banquet happening here. Any kind of after party thing. I think it's safe to say that they have some type of entertainment here, because there's a stage here with TV screens, but some kind of entertainment goes on here. That's pretty cool. Yeah, one of the people here was telling me that before the pandemic, they used to have live entertainment on Saturday nights here, but they're looking forward to redoing that once we get past all this nastiness. Good news. So what do you think of your seat for the game, Michelle?
Front row, 50-yard line. Can't get any better.
This place is massive. I mean, they got the game room over there, and they got a patio over there, and then there was actually live entertainment behind us during before the pandemic. So a lot of things to see and do here.
The server will explain to you there is 32 beer walls.
Oh wow.
And you get a card, put a domination on it, and here you can put whatever amount you want on
And you can help yourself then?
Yeah. And
All right. Very cool.
yeah.
Yeah, I saw it in the game room. I was wondering what that was all about.
But he'll explain
Yeah.
it to you guys.
Thank you. Okay, we got starters here. Pepperoni wonton, $6.99. Wild tender basket, $12.99. Eagle wings, $10.99. 8 wings. Pork belly burnt ends, $8.99. Double barrel shrimp. Pulled pork quesadilla. Mac and cheese, kettle chips, chili cheese fries, spinach stuffed mushrooms, 3 little pigs. And then of course they got the steak section over here. They got the New York, the sirloin, the filet, the ribeye, and the prime rib. Fair prices. That goes, I mean, I usually go with the 12 ounce when I go to Longhorn Steakhouse. Rabbit food, pork belly, buffalo chicken, and they even have a section for flatbreads. Two-handed fun, which is basically hamburgers. Eagle Classic Steak House Burger, the black and blue, the saddle stiff, pulled pork, buffalo chicken wrap, Southwest chicken sandwich, shrimp po' boy, Nashville chicken. Prices range between $10.99 and $13.99. And I believe they do include French fries, and there's an extra charge if you add an extra patty on there. And of course they got the dessert section, giant eagle cookie, apple tartlet, Big A chocolate cake. I'm excited, Michelle. Have you got an idea what you want yet?
Everything.
Very good. Okay, I got my beer card. It's got $15 on it, and basically, you get your beer by the ounce. So come on, follow me. All right, take your card, touch your card there like that, you get the green light, and there you go. It shows you got $15 on there, and give it a try. Look at how it counts the ounces right there. We got 6 ounces. You got that up there, Michelle? How much was this? Distributed? Okay, it went off already. Okay, they get it. I already have poured 6 ounces off, so I'm down to $10 on my card. Let's give this beer a try and see how it goes. It's a lot equivalent to Miller Lite, very light. Even you could have some, Michelle. What do you think?
Sounds good to me.
All right, let's go back to our table. Okay, while we were getting our beer, I love when this happens. When we came back to our table, our food also was right waiting for us. So I got my chicken wings over here, and they're the dry. This is their signature version of it's a dry rub. And Michelle, what did you get there?
Their signature pepperoni wonton.
All right, give your wonton a try, and then you can try one of my wings. They gave you dipping sauce there too, some marinara and what is that, ranch? I saw the pepperoni in there. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah.
Delicious.
Very good. A little spicy, but I like it. And I got my beer to wash it down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna try one of those pepperoni rolls, Michelle. I'm gonna put marinara on mine. Looks like an egg roll, doesn't it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Very good. Try a wing, Michelle. Not that one. Okay, just kidding. Michelle likes the ranch dressing. So do I. So do I. Thank good. All right. Next up will be the entrees. We'll bring you right back when that happens. Okay, the Browns are down. They just gave up another touchdown. It's 13-3. So I'm gonna try some pinball action. I put $5 on here. Swipe it. There we go. Ooh. Oh, it's been a while. Okay. Ball got saved. All right. Flashing light warning. I've never played pinball and videotaped myself at the same time. That's a new thing for me, right? Oh, bummer. Kiss Army. Okay, let's give Pac-Man or Miss Pac-Man a try here at Wild Eagle. Another game that I haven't played in forever. I think I got Galaga going on here. Galaga. It's like riding a bicycle. You never forget. Right. Hey, almost got that whole rep. Oh my God. Okay, I do forget. Okay. Ah, there we go. Nice. Like food is here. I got my ribeye with green beans and baked potato with sour cream, and they also gave like a dipping sauce. It's got a little kick to it, but very nice. And Michelle has her Nashville chicken with mashed potatoes, Brussels sprouts, and the chicken over there with pickles on top.
Never had pickles on chicken.
Well, give it a shot, Michelle. Try your mashed potatoes.
Them are delicious.
Here, I want to see you eat it. Go ahead. Is it smooth? Mm-hmm. Do you think it's fresh, or do you think that they made it from...
They're all homemade.
It's all homemade. And now let's try some of your Brussels sprouts over there.
Something that you don't like.
I can't comment one way or the other on that because I'm not a fan. But if you enjoy it, then that's good enough for me. And now she's
pieces
gonna...
of chicken.
To show it to the... Show it. Okay.
Nashville chicken.
All right. The taste test time for Michelle. The pressure is on. And it is in the mouth. Okay, what? I get the impression she might like it. What do you think? Is that all right? I know when Michelle is not happy with something, but I could tell that she's in her happy zone. Okay, now it's my turn. I have my baked potato with sour cream over here. Not gonna take too much. Standard baked potato with sour cream, very good. And you know what I like a lot about it? It doesn't have all that. You know, you go to Texas Roadhouse and it's coated with salt on the outside. That's not a thing here. And there's a little bit of salt, but not overwhelming. Now the green beans. Very good. And I'm not a big vegetable person, but these have a little bit of almost like a garlicky flavor to it. Very good. And I ordered my ribeye medium. Take a look at that. Just the way you want it.
Free 2-hour grocery delivery, included with
Very good. I'm very happy. doesn't need dipping sauce, but it's nice to know it's there for you. What do you think, Michelle? All right? As you can see, well, maybe my reservation thing just went off. It's 3 o'clock and the Browns game is ready to start, but they seated us the moment we got here, which was really nice. We got here at 2 o'clock thinking we were gonna have to, you know, kill time and everything. Wasn't that nice that they let us sit down early and
Yes,
eat?
and prime seat.
Yeah, it's a good thing because it's starting to fill up in here too. The people are starting to get ready for the game. So I'm glad we got a chance to sit down and get acclimated to our environment over here. And now we're ready for the Browns to kick some serious butt. All right, let's make it happen, Browns. Go, go, go. Okay, we're gonna talk about our dinner. It was awesome. I finished what I could. I didn't get my wings done because I wanted to put most of my emphasis on the steak and the potatoes. We're gonna probably need a box for the two, okay? But I'm just gonna say this up front. Wow, this place, the service, the food, the environment, 3 stars all across the board when it comes to those 3 categories. What do you think, Michelle?
It was delicious. For a new restaurant in town, I'm glad we found this one.
And the other thing that was a huge positive is the size of it. You can walk in here, and there's a lot of people here for the game, but you wouldn't even know it because they're all spaced out so well. And I feel like I can breathe in here. It's not claustrophobic. So, and the easy access to the beer over there makes it even another positive. What do you think, Michelle? Will we be coming back here?
Absolutely.
And you guys should too, because trust me, it was worth the trip out. And
Wild Eagle Saloon rocks football Sunday.
thanks for watching, everybody. And if you enjoyed and thought this video was informative, hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. That way, next time we have a video, you guys will be right there waiting for it to happen. Thanks again. Have a great indoors day.
Go Browns!
Bye.